Hello and welcome. We are going to talk about the main dimensions of the human body and the connections between the dimensions. The main dimension is the circulation of the chest, and it's known that when we measure this area, it must be as large as possible. The second dimension is the circulation of the waist, and it has to be very precise. And it has to be the least in circulation. After that, we have the hips, and it is under the waist by 18 centimeters. And this is the side dimension. So, the circulation of the hips must be taken from the largest point. These are the main three dimensions, with the rest of the others that we talked about in our last lesson. As we know, the previous dimension we talked about are common, and we are going to concentrate on these three dimensions, which are the circulation of the chest and the waist and the hips. Specialists have done many studies and took many samples on human body sizes, which has resulted that the sizes repeated and that the information has helped many people who are related in this field that work with Petrin applications from one size, which is the circulation of the waist. So what are these results and sizes that researchers have come to? The first result talks about the difference between half of the waist circulation and half of the hip circulation, which is 9 centimeters, which means if the circulation of the waist is 38 centimeters, that means the circulation of the chest is 47 centimeters. So the difference between half circulation of the waist and half circulation of the hips is 12 centimeters. So if half circulation of the waist is 38 centimeters, which means half circulation of the hips equals to 50 centimeters. So this means the difference between half circulation of the hips and half circulation of the chest equals to 3 centimeters. So if it's 50 centimeters, so that means the chest is 47 centimeters. It's clear that these dimensions will make things easier for the specialists in this field, and hopefully we reached our goal with this lesson. And thank you for listening.